Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to place for faceless, no-fluff finance that actually works no matter where you live. If the words credit score make your shoulders tense up, you're not alone. Most people feel overwhelmed, confused, or scared they'll mess it up. Today I'm giving you the exact stress-free blueprint to build strong credit from zero or improve what you already have using habits that work in literally any country. No dollar amounts, no US-only tricks, just universal principles you can start this week. By the end of this 12 minutes, you will have a simple 5-step plan, automation ideas, and a mindset shift that turns credit building into something calm and automatic. If that sounds good, hit the like button now so YouTube shows this to more people who need it. And let's jump in. First, quick foundation so you never feel lost again. Your credit history is simply a record of how you've borrowed and repaid money. Lenders, landlords, even some employers and utility companies look at it. A solid history opens doors to better approval chances and friendlier terms everywhere. Credit scores, whatever your local bureau calls them, are calculated from 5 main things that are almost identical worldwide. Payment history, about 35%. Did you pay on time? This is the heavyweight champion. Credit utilization, about 30%. How much of your available credit are you actually using? Length of credit history to 15%. How long have accounts been open? Time is friend, so start early. New credit to 10%. Too many new applications can ding you temporarily. Credit mix to 10%. Having different types, like revolving credit cards and installment loans, can help, but it's not essential for beginners. Don't stress about memorizing percentages. The habits we'll talk about cover these naturally. Now, step-by-step ways to build credit calmly. Step 1. Start with something accessible. If you have no credit history, look for beginner-friendly options in your country. A secured credit product, if available. You put down a deposit that becomes your limit. Use it lightly and pay in full. It's low risk for you and the lender. A basic credit card from your bank or a starter card designed for new users. In some places, credit builder loans exist. You make fixed payments, they report positively, and you get the money back at the end. Become an authorized user on a trusted family, members or friends account with good history. Their positive track record can help yours as long as the account stays in good standing. Pick 1 or 2 options, only don't apply everywhere at once. Step 2. Use credit lightly and pay on time every time. This is the no-stress golden rule. Make small, regular purchases you were going to make anyway, like groceries, fuel, or a subscription. Then pay the full balance before the due date. Set up automatic payments for at least the minimum, but aim for full payoff to avoid any interest charges. Use reminders or calendar alerts if autopay isn't an option. On-time payments build your history fast and reduce stress because they're predictable. Step 3. Keep your usage low. Try to use no more than 30% of your available credit at any time, ideally even lower, like under 10 to 20% if possible. For example, if your limit is whatever amount, don't let the balance creep close to it before paying. Pay mid-cycle if needed to keep reported balances low. Many people pay twice a month, once early to lower the balance once at the end. This keeps utilization in check without changing your spending habits much. Step 4. Let time work for you. Once accounts are open and positive, keep them active with occasional light use. Don't close old accounts unless necessary. It shortens your history. Avoid applying for new credit frequently. Space applications out. Patience is key. Noticeable improvement often takes 6 to 12 months of consistent behavior, sometimes longer for a full, strong profile. Step 5. Monitor without obsession. Check your credit report periodically. Many countries offer free annual checks or low-cost monitoring. Look for errors and dispute them if found. Some services or apps give free score updates. Use those to track progress without stress. Seeing steady gains motivates you. Bonus low-stress habits. Pay utilities, rent, or phone bills on time if your country reports them positively. Some do now. Budget so borrowing stays intentional, not emergency-driven. Build an emergency fund to avoid relying on credit for surprises. Common pitfalls to avoid so you stay stress-free. Don't max out cards even if you pay in full. High utilization can hurt temporarily. Don't ignore small debts. They can turn into big problems. Don't chase quick fixes like risky schemes. Steady wins. Building credit is a marathon. Celebrate small wins. Your first on-time payment, first positive report, first score increase. To recap, start small with accessible credit. Pay everything on time. Keep balances low, give it time, and check in occasionally. You've got this. Simple habits compound into big results. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more practical finance tips, and comment below. What's one step you're taking this week to build your credit? Thanks for watching. Take care, stay consistent, and see you in the next one.